Alright, I'm out here at Callaway Avenue in LaGrange, Georgia. As you can see, got an update here because CSX sadly replaced the remaining original early West Coins gate mechanism here with a new Siemens one, as you can see. New Siemens imprinted one. And the gate arm, of course, was also replaced. Brand new one with vertical strapping, of course, and it has all NEG LED gate lights on it, as you can see up there. So yeah, admittedly nothing too much else changed here. It's actually right over there, you can actually see a whole ACL whistle post, which is neat. But that signal's thankfully still all the same. This one's still got its 8-inch lights, of course. So yeah, nothing else too much changed here, just a new gate mechanism on the southbound signal here. Over and out.